Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable USB debugging in Samsung Galaxy device. Go to your settings. In settings, we have to enable developer options first of all. So scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on About Phone. Here you have to tap on Software Information. Now tap on Build Number for 7 times to enable developer options. Verify your phone lock and the developer options will be enabled. Now again open your settings app, scroll down all the way to the bottom and this time tap on developer options. Here go down a little bit. Under debugging section, here you will find USB debugging. Now to enable USB debugging, just toggle this switch on and tap on OK. And you have successfully enabled USB debugging. And to disable, just toggle this switch off, and that's how we can do it.